Last time na nakita ko si Mr. Chinky Tan, I was a volunteer videographer sa isang event and he was a guest speaker. Everything went smooth. Actually, na-post ko na nga yung video na ginawa ko. And nag-comment pa siya doon sa video na yun na in-upload ko sa YouTube, parang letting me know na, hey, nakita ko yung gawa mo. Chinky Tan, sino ba naman ako, di ba? Para pag-aksaya niya ng panahon, sobrang na-appreciate ko yun, Sir Chinky. Thank you so much po. And then, it got me thinking, everything went smooth. But for one thing, hindi ako nakapagpa-selfie sa kanya. Ako lang yata hindi nakapagpa-selfie sa aming team. And last night, nag-chat sa akin si Coach Ariel ng LoveCon. He was asking me if I could come over today, Saturday, to help him out with the interview. Kasi he's planning to interview Sir Chinky for a couple of minutes. And I said yes immediately. I didn't think twice. And then, it got me thinking, why not use the opportunity para makapagpa-selfie na kay Sir Chinky? Diba? It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and wala man lang akong souvenir sa kanya. Kailan ko pa siya ulit makikita? And so, ayun. Kaya itong video na to, it's about me redeeming myself na hindi man lang ako nakapagpa-selfie sa kanya. And this time, I am given a second chance. Sobrang big deal, Sobrang big deal talaga. We're looking up to this person, si Mr. Chinky Tan. Yes, talagang once in a lifetime opportunity. And I'm going to grab this opportunity na this time around. Wala ka nang wala sa akin, Sir Chinky.
Kaya naman, kinabukasan, nagpunta ako sa Philippine Embassy kung saan nagbibigay ng kanyang expert advice si Sir Chinky Tan sa mga OFWs.
A lot of people want to eat the cake, but only a few people want to learn the process of baking a cake. If you finish the cake, you need more money to buy cakes. But if you know how to bake a cake, you will never run out of cakes. English yun.
Binigyan ko na din ng team ni Coach Ariel ng copy ng raw videos from the LoveCon event na sinut ko para magamit nila ang mga videos however they wanna use them.
If you always compare yourself with others, dalawang bagay lang mangyayari sa'yo. You will live a very miserable life. Number one, you'll be disappointed because others are better off than you. Number two, you'll become proud and arrogant because you're better off than others. At the end of the day, you just need to ask yourself, did you do your best? Let's say you did your best, but your best wasn't good enough. So here we are back, we were before. Yun mga nakaka-relate tamang 80s yun.
At nang matapos na mag-talk si Sir Chinky, it's redemption time for me and go meet the man himself. Kaya nagtungo na kami sa area kung saan namin gagawin ang interview. Though at the time, medyo busy pa siya, I waited for the right moment.
Yes. How are you, sir? Kumusta po ang bakasyon niyo dito? Hindi bakasyon eh.
Session. Siyempre, since nakalapit na ako sa kanya, hindi ko na palalampasin ang pagkakataong ito. Bago pa man kami magsimula sa interview session, ay nagpa-picture na agad ako kasama siya.
Ano? Picture mo na kami sa ako kay Sir Chinky. Okay. This is picture.
1, 2, 1, 2. Give me some love, please. Uno, dos, tres.
Hindi ko rin sukat akalain na makakarating ako sa sitwasyon na to, kung saan up close and personal ako with Sir Chinky Tan. And para sa isang videographer na katulad ko na hindi naman madalas nakakapag-shoot ng kilalang personalidad, itong ganitong pagkakataon yung mga once in a lifetime na experience, and masasabi ko lang ay napaka-surreal nung moment na ito. And to think na Chinky Tan yan, and nakita ko yung Chinky Tan sa likod ng camera na napaka down to earth. Chinky Tan yan, ito siya, and dito kami na kumbaga sa level of popularity, kilalang tao. Pero hindi niya pinaramdam na ganun yung sitwasyon. Talagang sinasabi ko na napaka down to earth niya. And before malaki na yung respeto ko sa kanya, mas lalo pang nadagdagan.
Hindi mo kayang tulungan ng ibang tao kung hindi mo kayang itulungan ang iyong sarili.
Absolutely.
Diba? That's number one. Pangalawa, hindi mo kayang ipagkaloob ang isang bagay kung mismo ikaw ay wala at kapos.
Yeah.
The experience was surreal. Sabihin nyo na OA ako, pero kasi for an OFW like me, Sir Chinky really is inspiring and very humbling yung naging experience ko doing these shoots. Anyway, until the next video, annyeong!